Okay, welcome back to Science Today. Today we're actually going to do a little bit of learning. So I am using this app called Explain Everything. There is a free version and an expensive version, and I believe it is $4.99. I'm not sure, but I have an Apple device, so I know it's going to be on the App Store. I'm not sure about Android and Samsungs and things like that, but I know it's on the App Store for Apple, iOS, I guess it's called. And yeah, so I just wanted to do a few things on here. So let's get started. Let's see, what color should I use? What color can I use? Let's see. I already made 3 custom colors. This one, draw a little egg here. Okay. Then I'll do my other custom color. This is kind of a little blue. This blue looks like a purple. Oh, no, it doesn't. Hey, what do you know? It doesn't look like a purple anymore. But this one looks like a purple. For sure. Watch. This is just like full on purple. Don't you guys agree with me? Come on. You guys have to agree with me. This is full on purple. Look, it's getting bigger. Okay. Let's erase this. Let's see. What should I do? Here, I'm going to actually multitask right now and get a picture. So, let's see. I have, where's Google? Here it is. Google. Let's see. Let's do, I'm thinking. Let's see. I'll just do picture. Let's see what comes up. Oh, whoopsies. Spelled it wrong. Big time. Okay. I want to do something. Oh, look, it's a Rubik's Cube. What do you know? Okay, let's do this one. Save this image. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add it. It's ridiculous. Okay, look at that. Look at this. This. Okay. So let's modify this photo. Let's get some black. First we have to get rid of these eyes. So let's, and then, yeah, make the pencil thick. I think it's a can. Okay. I need more, like, not matte black, but like a dark, shiny black. You know? Let's go and redo all this stuff. Okay. Let's see. Let's go in the colors. Let's add a color. Let's see. Now that's like what I'm talking about. See, I told you, like, you guys need to have all this soap. You saw that, right? Like, see, I'm not an expert at this, but let's get some black. Make its pupils. No, I need it thinner, huh? Do this thin enough. No, you know what? Yeah, there we go. I like it bushy here. And then, you know, it would be nice if this guy had a outline of pink fur with another outline, a little bit of purple. There we go. Looks nice now. He has like a little hair going down. You know what this needs? This really needs some gum. Who doesn't have gum when they have soap in their mouth? Okay, let's make some bubble gum. And then let's color this in. Whoop. Yes, I'm not that good at coloring, but it's the best I can do. What do you expect? Not an artist. Okay, actually, I do good work on sometimes like sketches, like, but that's just like pure luck. Okay, so like, yeah. Then let's get some white. Come on, white. That's there. I hope that you guys can all see this. Hope so. Okay. What do you think about it? Do we need something more? Oh, we forgot all about his gills. He has 3 of them across his cheek. And then we have to have like a little 21 here and a little 21 here. Okay. Oh, I really like the background, but you know what we more need? That's gonna be good. Like, what we need is the beautiful sky. Here, let's go. There, I like blue skies better. Guys, drop a thumbs up and subscribe if you love this drawing. Come on, guys. Come on. This drawing is amazing. You know it is. Okay. Now to make my work clean. Because you know it's not that clean right now. I totally didn't draw like outside the box. It's just all inside. Did this perfect. Like, not being sarcastic or anything. Sarcasm. Oh. Well, I really like this right now. This looks good. Wait, we'll have to... Okay, I'm just gonna keep it right here. I don't want to mess up anything. You know, we need more color. Why isn't it let me... Holy shoot! Okay, put that back. Don't want anything happening to... Okay, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna lock it. Lock this. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we can't move it. Okay, good. Let's get it. Don't they have like a... Oh, they have a border. No. I don't want a border. This guy needs a friend. First of all, this guy needs a name. What am I talking about? Jai Shri Krishna, good night. Love you. Where are you going? Okay, bye. Okay. Okay. Right now? Okay, I'll do it when I come down. Okay. This guy will be named... He's a... Okay. Elephant. Elephant. Perfect. How do you guys like that name? Elephant's his name. A beautiful portrait of elephant. Oh, come on, guys. Here, if you're on your iPad right now, take a screensaver. Like, you take a screenshot and then put it as your screensaver. Just saying, it's gonna be like a great screensaver. And actually, I'm gonna do that, but first I'm gonna have to write Rajan on all of them. My school requires my name. Rajan. Rajan. R. R. Signature. Future signature. It's my future signature. It's made by Rajan. Should I add a picture of myself? I just made myself and I. It's all alright. Hey, how you doing? Oh man, it's upside down. What's going on, man? Hey, how you doing? Okay, let's do this. Hey. Oh yeah, this is crazy. Just kidding. It's a big picture of me. Boom shakalaka. Okay, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Got my screensaver and everything. Well, yeah, that's it for today. I'll probably do another video for sure. So thanks for watching Science Today. Please drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And yeah, we are science. Even though this is art. I don't know. Okay guys, bye.